Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 63, Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science, and today we discuss about atomic number and mass number. Gyan asks, Jigyasa Didi, what is atomic number and what is mass number? Jigyasa reply that there are some subatomic particles in an atom, that is proton. Proton was discovered by E. Goldstein, electron by J.J. Thomson, and neutron was discovered with J.J. Chadwick. Proton and neutrons are present in the nucleus of an atom, but the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in their discrete orbits. So what is the atomic number, student? Atomic number means the total number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom is known as atomic number, and its symbol is Z. It means it is denoted by Z. Student, please focus on that line. The number of the electrons is equal to the total number of protons. Therefore, the net charge is 0 and atom is neutral. Now, what is mass number? Mass of one proton is taken as 1 unit and charge is +1. Mass of neutron is also 1 unit, but the charge is 0. And on electron, mass is very small, that is negligible. Negligible means we ignore the mass of electron as it is very smallest particle. But the charge taken on the electron is -1. Neutron and proton both are present in the nucleus, so they are called nucleons. Okay, what are nucleons? Neutron and protons are nucleons, and why they called so? Because they are present in the nucleus. Next one, what is mass number? The sum of the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. So student, when we do the sum of the protons and the neutron, then it is known as mass number. Next one is isotopes. What is isotopes? Iso means same, tops means atomic number. When the atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number, they are known as isotopes. For example, chlorine and hydrogen have 3 isotopes, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. Mass number is also taken as the average of the atomic masses. If you have to calculate the average, then you have to calculate by that method. What are the applications of isotope? Isotopes are very useful and their applications are given below. Like iodine. The isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. What about the cobalt? Cobalt in the treatment of cancer. And also the isotope of uranium is used as a fuel in the nuclear reactors. So these are the applications of the isotope, and this is the answer of your second question. Okay. Now, what are the isobars? Iso means same, bars mean mass number. Those elements which have different atomic number but same mass number, they are called isobar. For example, calcium and argon. So student, calcium has 20 atomic number, argon has 18 atomic number, but both has same mass number, that is 40. So they both are called isobars. Now let's do the exercise. First question is, what are nucleons? So neutron and protons both are present in the nucleus, so they are called nucleons. This is your first answer. Second, define mass number and atomic number. The sum of the total number of protons and neutrons is called the mass number. This is your second question, student. And atomic number is given here. Let's do the third question, students. Write the applications of the three isotopes. So this is your third answer. Fourth, calculate the mass number and atomic number of an atom having 6 electrons, 6 proton and 6 neutron. Let's our atom is here Z. It has 6 proton, so its atomic number is 6 and its mass number is 12 because mass number is sum of protons and neutrons. Write the symbol and valency of the element from atomic number 1 to 18. So student, this is given in your NCERT book. You have to open your NCERT book and write the 1 to 18 elements, their atomic number and their valency with their symbol. And you have to practice a lot about that in your notebook also, so that there has no confusion in exam. Students, if you like that worksheet, then share with your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you.